Hi everyone, hope you had a great day yesterday. Let's continue with our math learning here. So putting all of our learning together this past month in algebra as we wrap it up this week. So now when we look at equations, the question is asking you, how do you go about solving them? So solve these equations. Lots of strategies we could use. We could trial and error, guess and check, order of operations, and visuals too. So I'm going to do a visual strategy for this first one. 5 times number plus 8 equals 23. Okay, I like doing it with my shapes. So I know that one shape here needs to equal 23. I know that I have on the other side of the equation, I'm going to call that, let's call that 8. And then I have 5 groups of a number. Let's copy that. Hold on. Can I put n? Yeah, n for number. 2, 3, 4. Oh, did I do it? Oh, look at that thing of beauty right there. Love it. So I know that 5 groups of a number plus 8 have to equal 23. So one thing that stands out to me right away is I want to get rid of that 8. So let me do 23 minus 8. That equals 15. All right, so then I know 15 equals my 5 groups of n. What number multiplied by 5 gives me 15? Well, I could do 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So n equals 3. And let's do a guess and check, or sorry, not guess and check. Guess and check, I guess. So 5, let's replace it. 5 times 3 plus 8 equals 23. Does it? 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 8 equals 23. 23 equals 23. Look at that. So, few ways we solved that one there with algebra and with the visual too. Let's take a look at this one. 4 times the number plus 10 is the same as 2 times the number plus 22. Okay, so a bit more complex because we have a variable on both sides of the equation. All right, let's start with the first one. Let's call this 10. And then I'll copy that one again. So we now have 4 times the number. All right, so that works for our first line. 4 groups of a number plus 10 equals now 2 groups of a number. Sorry, let's copy that one. Make it bigger. There we go. All right, so take a look. 10, so 4 groups of a number plus 10 is the same as 2 groups of a number plus 22. So right away, I want to get rid of what I can. Like how we subtracted the 8 from the 23, let's subtract the 22 from 10. So that 22 minus 10 equals 12. All right. I have 4 groups of n here, and I have 2 groups of n here. So I have 4n. I'm going to take away 2. 4n minus 2n equals 2n. I have 2 variables left over. So take a look. I know that 12 represents 2 groups of each number. Let's do what we did before. Let's divide. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So n equals 6. Let's now check that out to see if that works. 4 times, let's see, n is now 6 plus 10 equals 2 times 6 plus 22. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 10. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 22. Look at that, 34 equals 34. It worked, it worked, it worked. So a cool strategy you can use there as well. Take a look with the questions today. It's all about putting our learning together with algebra. Thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.